Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would like to show you my hair. I want to talk about my hair and I want to show how the people they can straighten their hair. Some people they tell me I look good with curly hair. Some people they tell me I like you look good with straight hair. But usually I like straight hair. But I want to say that this is my curly hair. This is my natural hair. I don't roll, I don't do nothing. I just wash and I leave it. And I think I look like a little poodle. So, I want to straighten my hair and I want to say that when you straighten your hair, if you want completely to be too straight, flat, I want to show you how you do it. And if you want to look a little bit fluffy and straight, I will tell you how to do it. So, first of all, I just part my hair. I don't comb my hair like after I wash my hair. I leave it the way it is because when you brush it, your curly hair, it will fluff it up. Even now that I'm gonna fix my hair, it's kind of easier just to do this way than brush it and fluff it up. So I'll put couple pin both sides to make it easier for me. And each time that I have to do it, I'll just brush it. It's much easier that way. So now it's in the back, maybe you won't be able to see it, but when I flatten my hair, straighten my hair, I don't go close to the roots. If I go close to the roots, it will be really straight and flat. So what I do, I go a little bit further and I roll it up and then I go down so it will give a little bit fluffiness. So it won't be too straight. I never used roller on my hair. I used to do roller to my customers, of course, but I never used for myself because my hair is already curly. I don't need to roll my hair or anything. There is people they ask about my hair. It's not weird. It's just that I don't do really anything with my hair. I just wash and wear, and very rare time I straighten my hair. It's very simple, very easy. I don't think people should have any hard time. You just give two brush. You don't have to like really straight make a line because you always can go catch up. Like now that I'm doing it, I keep it away from my roots. So what it does, it keeps a little bit fluffiness. But if I go too close to the roots, then it's gonna be very straight, flat. If you like that way, then you do it. If no, you just keep it away, and the curliness close to the roots, it gives a little bit body for you. So if you wonder how I straighten my hair, this is the way I do it. But roller, I never done it because my hair is curly and I don't think I have any more curlers because it's not fashion. So not that I got rid of it, but my customers that I used to have much older they used to use it. So I give them here and there to the people, to my beautiful customers. I have such a nice customers that I had them for I don't know how many years. I've been working for 30 years. Now you're gonna guess my age. So this is the way I do my hair. And I like straight hair because it looks more cleaner to my face. It looks neater. So that's why I like to always straighten it. There is certain occasions that I leave curly if I don't want to do it. See, I kind of hold it so it will be fluffy. I don't want like flat to be to my head. It's very simple, easy. Those flat ironings, they are very good. I think curly hair, I think when we have curly hair, we would love to have straight hair. When we have straight hair, we want curly hair. So this is the way I do my hair once in a while, whenever I feel like I need to straighten it. Well, I hope this will help to the people who needs to know and who likes to wear straight hair. It's a little smoke coming out, which is fine. It's not gonna burn your hair, or it's not burning your hair. If you have a little bit still like damp, that's what it does, but this is the way you'll fix it. There you go. This is my little beauty salon. It's surrounded with beautiful garden, which I love it. It's very pleasant. I'm sure you hear my background, the rooster, the birds, the chickens. There we go. See, while I like to be fluffiness, what I do is I don't go close to the roots. I just keep it away. When you do your hair, you can go a little bit or left side or right side. Put your arms, put your hands. When the heat that I'm showing you, in case if you want to straighten your hair and you want like to be the style the way to stay, first you put the heat and you hold it. Let's say that I want to keep this more higher for me. If I hold my hands like this, it cools off. When it cools off, it takes the shape and it stays more fluffy for you. If you just heat and leave it, it will be more flat and lumpy. So if I want fluffiness, this is what I do. I wait until it dries and then you can pull it up. If not, you can just pull it straight down and it will completely straight. This is my hair and this is how I wear. Very plain, very simple. I just like to give another touch. There you go. Well, I just washed it. It's a little bit damp, but it's a good advice to dry your hair and then do it. So this way you won't have any burn or anything. This is the way I fix my hair, and I don't put any roller. I'm sorry not to disappoint anybody, but to show you, but this is the straight hair. That's how I wear. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this will answer some of my customers' questions. So thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.